In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively insert and caption images in your Microsoft Word document. We'll walk through the process step by step, ensuring you have a clear understanding by the end of this tutorial. So let's get started on polishing your document with perfectly placed images and captions. First, you'll want to open up your Microsoft Word file. If you haven't already located the document you're working on, take a moment to find it and open it up on your computer. Position your cursor where you intend to insert the image. This initial step helps in organizing your content and sets a visual guide for where your image will be placed. Next, you will insert your image into the document. Navigate to the Insert tab in the Word toolbar, usually found at the top of your screen. Click on Pictures and select the image you wish to include. Whether you're using an image from your computer or an online source, make sure it's relevant to the content of your document. Once your picture is selected, click Insert, and it will appear right where your cursor was placed. Now that your image is in the document, the next step involves adding a caption. Head over to the References tab in the Word toolbar. Once there, look for the Insert Caption button and click it. This will bring up a dialog box where you can input your caption title. You'll notice there are additional options for the label and position of your caption. If you're creating something straightforward, the default options might be all you need. But if the label isn't quite right for your purpose or style, you can tick the Exclude Label from Caption box. Feel free to play around with these options until you achieve the desired look for your caption. After customizing the caption to fit your needs, simply click OK. This saves your caption settings and places it beneath your image, giving it a neat and professional appearance. And just like that, you're done. You've successfully inserted an image and added a caption within your Microsoft Word document. Taking the time to correctly position and label your images not only enhances visual appeal, but also assists your readers in understanding the context and significance of each image. Thanks for watching this tutorial on how to effectively use images with captions in Word. We hope this guide made the process clearer and emboldened you to make the most of Word's rich editing capabilities. If you found this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more useful tips and tutorials. Happy editing!